Hi,
Hi
Haley.
guys.
Hi, Haley.
Hi guys. Today I'm making a puppet. It's just need to color and decorate it, but I'm going to show you guys. Ta-da! This is a puppet. First, let's try to open it. Stay behind. But let's try to open it.
Can you hold a bit longer so people can see?
Okay.
No. Okay.
I scared it fall.
Where did you buy it? No, I need to show.
Huh?
You need to show.
I buy it from DIY.
Yeah, maybe your friend want to see. What is that? Coloring scene with puppets. Okay.
Coloring scenes with puppets. So this is a card scenes 3 card puppet eye stickers.
One. I think that is
One
not
sticker.
eye.
1 sticker sheet, 2 card stand pieces.
Okay.
So this is the stand pieces. Actually it's inside. Sorry. Let's open it. Oh, look at that. I'm scared of fall. Oh, here is it. So let's click it. Look at this sticker. They have this for me. See? They are heart shapes. Well, kiss me. Kiss me. And this is look like magic shoe.
If you want to show your friend, you need to show it to the camera.
Oh, this it is.
Yeah, longer. Hold it longer. Okay. Yeah.
This is it. So let's take all and try to collect this. Yeah, so sticky. Take it some. So this is this.
Oh wow, Peppa Pig. Yeah.
So people, this is that. So I take out.
Oh yeah, it's Peppa Pig.
You see? I'm done. So let's take my color. This is very new. This Faber Castle. This is rainbow. That is a pencil and a pencil. How come pencil? And let's try to start doing it. First, I have to put the puppets others there.
So you will start coloring and start video. Later we're gonna show. Okay.
Okay.
So you tell your friends you're gonna color it first. Then
I'm
show.
going to color. Maybe no lah. Show them how I color. Okay.
It's too long. It takes too long.
So I'm going. Please, Can you please wait? I'm going to off it because my mom said I have to color it faster. So sorry. Bye.